Hi, I'm Jothan Frakes. I currently am the CEO of a company called Moniker.com, and I'm also the co-founder and executive producer of the NamesCon conference, which is the largest commercial domain conference for our industry. Well, there are other technologies. There's QR codes, and there's like NFC type activity. And the thing is, there's really a difference between the ability to do that type of navigation, because a lot of it's visual proximity or actual physical proximity for the case of RFID type stuff like NFC codes. What's interesting is the underlying technology in many cases, like NFC or RFID, often transport on DNS. So they use a lot of common technologies. But if you think at the core of it, IP addresses are complex, but not really human readable. And so a human needs to be able to remember and retype something. And just like I remember in the 80s feeling really awesome about being able to have a speed dial on the phone. It was one of the first things I did, and I didn't have to start remembering phone numbers. I used to be able to write them down in a book, but I still have to open the book, and I have to then dial that number. And it then became really easy because I could just push one button and that would get me right where I needed to get. And that's really what domain names are, is that they're a speed dial of sorts. Whether you're using the new domains or existing domains, you're pointing to content, you're getting to servers, your email is reaching the people they need to reach, because that name is enabling a lookup to complex records. I find that it's great to engage with the Domain Name Association, and I'm a member because they've got technical groups, and they've got policy groups, and they've got groups that are focusing on marketing, and we can harmonize and our messaging and benefit from the collaborative benefits of working together as a trade to elevate the industry.